Leader of opposition Yuri Alemo has raised a very pertinent question in the assembly today. ताणें म्हटलें की कर्नाटकान जो LPG कमर्शियल LPGचो जो शॉर्टेज आहा तो गोंयांत सुद्दां जावंक शकता आनी ताज्या खातीर गव्हर्मेंटान कितें उपाय केल्या. एक्चुअली पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार दीस इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी पर्टिनंट क्वेश्चन गोवा कन्सिडरींग द इरान वॉर एक्चुअली आनी Goa being a tourist destination, all hotels around the coastline and even in the cities could have a major problem. And ताज्या खातीर युरी अलेमोन म्हटलं की the government has to, the chief minister has to convene a special meeting as soon as possible. And I feel it is a very good thing what he has said, and we have to be prepared for such kind of any untoward situation. आणि चीफ मिनिस्टरान हाची दखल घेवची आनी एक्चुली गोंयकारांकूय कळोंक जाय की वेदर वी आर गोईंग टू फेस एनी शॉर्टेज ऑफ कमर्शियल LPG, डिझल, पेट्रोल. So we should be prepared and instead of creating a panic kind of a situation at the end.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.